In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play the Crew Chew with a controller on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up any brand of controller that you have if you play the Crew Chew through Steam. As you can see, according to their Steam page, the game has partial controller support. What this means is that most controllers will be natively detected and are going to work without the need of any special sort of setup as long as you run the game through Steam. So first, open up Steam, go to your library, and find the Crew Chew. As you can see, I am using the Trio, but all you have to do is select the full game if you own it and click the settings icon at the right side of the screen. Go into the properties and access the controller properties. In here, you have to make sure that Steam input is enabled for all sorts of controllers. So if you see that it's set to default or disabled, you might want to go ahead and toggle Enable Steam Input. You can access the controller general settings to double check, especially if you have a generic controller like mine, and you can test the inputs over here as well. Make sure that your controller is properly being detected by your computer, and as long as Steam input is enabled, you will be able to access this gamepad icon and browse through available layouts for the game. You can either select the official recommended one or browse through community layouts, or alternatively, you can manually change each and every button on your controller to a specific action in-game. If you don't want to do this browses through Steam, you can also open up the game and go to the settings as I'm showing you and access the keybinds inside of the game itself. As long as Steam input is enabled, you will be able to play using any brand of controller that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to play the Crew Chew with a controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.